Open this website, and you will see templates for creating intros for your videos. Click More Creation, and you will see more of them. Choose any template you like, and open in Clipmaker. This is your workplace. You can choose any of template. Let's start editing this template. You are free to use any of these templates. They are free. This is not looking much attractive, because we are watching it without camera, but in final output this video will look same as I shown in the beginning. This is your menu. You can make any changes you want. Camera, objects, scene, audio, and even effects. For changing text, select object and search for text. Select text and type name of your channel. And press enter key in your keyboard. This is looking weird, because this text contains two different text. One is blue and other is black. Change both text field to your channel name. And it will look great. By the way, you can rotate this by click and dragging your mouse. You can change color of your text, or any other object in this project. Simply, find color option in the menu. And most important thing, please support my channel by subscribing. I am uploading one new tutorial every single week. Add your music to this scene. I am using fade in volume mode because I like it. You are free to choose any of this. Select your music file by clicking here. I am going with the default sound for the sake of this tutorial. As I told you before, you can change color of any object you want. Even you can remove them or add any other object. Click on this icon to play this video. If satisfied with the changes you have made, go to menu and click download. But before downloading this video, you need to render this project. Select the mode you want. I am choosing balanced for this tutorial. Select your video format. I found sound issue in MKV format, so I am selecting WebM format. Click on download, and your video will be downloaded in your computer. Now, use this intro in your videos. No, my chest, no fucking blouse. Bitch, I make it right.